Furinno is another stationery and home furniture brand that has offered a wide variety of products at very low prices. And you can visit the Furinno.com website to see them all. My name is Jeff, and today I'm gonna show you how to assemble the basic 3x2 bookcase storage bins model 99940. Okay, let's get started and I'll tell you the rest of the instruction during the assembly, so stay with me until the end of the video. To start the assembly, find a clean area like carpet or cardboard and cut the tape on the box lid and take out the parts and arrange them around the assembly area so that the numbers or letters on the parts are visible, that you can find them more easily and quickly. The way you open the box is optional and anyone can take out the parts is any way they want. In my experience, I keep the box until the end of assembly. I've seen many products where the box was almost intact, but the internal parts were damaged. So while taking the parts out, check all the parts, especially the corner, to make sure they are not dented and the paint on the parts is not scratched. If you see any damage, just contact customer service at support@furinno.com and they will send you the damaged part free of charge. You can return it if you want, but at the end, returning it's a new trash that comes to our environment, so please do not return it as much as possible. Verify that all parts are present before starting. The necessary tools for assembly are a Phillips screwdriver size 2 or medium and a hammer. Although the manual said not to use a drill, if you are familiar with how to use a drill, it's better to set it on lower power and increase the power if necessary. The small plastic bag contains the screws and other parts needed for assembly, and for ease of work, arrange them in numerical order next to you. Okay, you have 4 F parts. For 2 of them, insert the 2 short dowels or part 3 into the one side of the panel and 2 long dowels or part 2 into the other side. For 2 other panels, just insert the 2 short dowel or part 3 on one side of panel. Position the middle panel shelf or part B with the finish edge facing up. Then attach the 2 F panel to part B with the finish edge facing up and insert the longer dowel into the pre-drill hole in part B. Then install the other 2 F parts with the finish edge facing up and attach the side without the dowel to part B. Place the top panel or part A with the finish edge facing up and its colored surface aligned with part B. Attach the bottom panel or part C with the finish edge facing up and the color surface aligned with the other parts A and part B. Now insert 6 dowels or part 3 into the skirt part or part G and connect it to the bottom panel or part C with the colored surface facing up. Install the left panel or part D with the finished edge facing up and its pre-drill holes align with the dowels in part G and connect them together with 6 screws or part 1. Now install the right panel or part E with the finished edge facing up and its pre-drill holes align with the dowels in part G, and then attach them together with 6 screws or part 1. Almost we have reached the final step, and if you like it, give me a like before you forget, and if you would like to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. Gently rotate the bookcase so that the unfinished edges are facing up. Place the back panel or part H flush with the unfinished edge with the colored side facing inward and connect them with the nails or part 4. Make sure that back panel is flush with the shelf throughout the installation process. For adjustment, it's best to nail the corners of the back panel first and then hammer in the remaining nail. The nails should be hammered exactly in the middle and with a few hits to prevent the wood from breaking. Now install the stickers cover for the screws. Open the 3 bins and place them in the shelf. If you want to buy a bins for the other 3 shelf, the size is 11 by 10 or 11 by 9.8 inches. The top panel can hold approximately 15 pounds or 7 kilograms, and the shelves can hold up to 10 pounds or 5 kilograms. Congratulations, your storage unit is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are interested in purchasing a product and would like to know how is it assembled, just become a member of the channel and send me the product link, and the video will be ready to watch in less than 72 hours. Thank you for watching, and until next video.